Barbecuing, let me get some of that. Woo, it just smell good, ain't gonna lie. Well, right now, currently, I'm gonna head over to the warehouse. I went there earlier and I found out my Z is freaking leaking. I think the fittings on the sandwich adapter for the oil cooler are loose, so I'm gonna try to tighten those up because I am planning on driving the car on Sunday, so I want to make sure it's good. I'm glad I found the leak though, because if those lines would have actually like came out and then my car lost all the oil, that means no oil pressure, and then that means it's blowing up. So I'm kind of glad I caught that. We're here at the headquarters. This has been day it's the color, man. It's the color. I need to take it off. Oh, you know what else happened? Randomly, my O2 sensor decided to just not work. And I've never had O2 sensor problems. I'm telling you guys, I never had problems with this fucking car until it was blue. Like, every time this car has been blue, it's just had problems. But I definitely need to fix this leak before we drive this car, because it is not looking good. Not sure if you guys can see, but yeah, got a nice leak. So I'm gonna jack this thing up and I'm gonna tighten everything up. Hopefully it's good. If not, it's probably the washers on the fitting just went bad or something. All right, it was a little bit loose, so I think it should be all right now. I'm gonna start it up, and since I have a clear view of my passenger side header / manifold V-band, I'm gonna try to reach in there and see if that's where my exhaust leak is coming from. So that way I can confirm that, so it should be a pretty easy fix. Whoa, low rider. All right, well, I pretty much confirmed there is some kind of leak right there. I definitely felt some air at the top of the V-band. Oh, I gotta check, see if this thing's still leaking. That should have been enough pressure to get a leak out of it. Looks dry. Looks maybe deceiving. Watch me come tomorrow. There's a fucking puddle right here. You guys see the V-band right there? That guy. That's where it seems like the leak is coming from. Alright guys, so I actually was able to tighten the V-band a little bit. Only thing is, as I was tightening it, it felt like the V-band was gonna give up soon. I'm actually taking it for a quick little test drive. See if that helped the boost at all. If it's holding boost a little bit better, then I know just to change the V-bands and we should be good. If not, if it's doing the same shit, then most likely we have a deeper problem. Look at this shit, man. I almost beat his ass last night, bruh. These were like, you know, some decent shoes. These are worth about like $250, $300. Now they're beaters because of the damn dog. All right, guys, let's take this thing on a quick test drive. I don't know, guys, I can still hear it. You hear it? It don't make no sense. Man, I hope it's not a cracked header. It's possible. Don't mind the check engine, it's for the O2. I mean, it sounds a tiny bit better, but like when it was idling, I could definitely hear this shit's leaking still. And watch how fast I catch up to these cars. Well, I'm fucking weak, bruh. Well, I guess the V-band just took a shit. Nice. Nice. She's out of commission for right now. Well, there goes driving it this weekend. That's not gonna happen. Damn. When you take the Z out, slightly running, and then you bring it back more broken. I don't even have to like look to see what happened. I'm pretty sure the V-band just like exploded. That bitch was like, either I'm a leak or I'm a break. You choose. Some bullshit. Some straight up bullshit. Honestly, when this car breaks now, like, or something bad happens to it, I don't even get mad anymore, bro. I just be like, I just laugh at it. Like, I seen it coming. So my whole turbo kit is hanging on the ground. Sheesh. Well, that's not good. Damn. That shit is not even connected anymore. Bruh. Fuck. Well, there's a V-band. Well, this one's on there. But that shit with Gasaway. Dunzo. Was about time to take a shit. Clearly, it took a shit. It definitely took a shit. At this point, I need to get it on the lift as soon as possible. I definitely cannot drive the car like that. That is not good. Luckily, I went to go test it. Honestly, I'm super happy that I went to go test the car right now and try to hit some boost, and that happened because I was planning on driving this thing Sunday morning to like a cars and coffee thing, and I was definitely gonna hit some boost on the freeway, and then that shit would have happened. So everything happens for a reason. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get this thing on the lift now and get some new V-bands, and then put the new V-bands on, and then after that we're gonna have to check and see if it's still like leaking from somewhere. So, motherfucker. They don't want me to be outside, man. It just has to be a sign, bro. Like, just, God don't want me out in the streets in this car, bro. So I'm just gonna take it. It is what it is. Before you guys start blaming, like, oh, it's the shop, it's the people that work on your car, blah, 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 blah. Like, just stop. This is real life problems that a person goes through. I'm just cool enough to post the shit. Because a lot of YouTubers be making shit look sweet and acting like their life is perfect and they never have problems with their cars. Like, I'm gonna show you guys I have fucking problems. It's a part of the game, man. Like, you have modified cars, like, it don't matter, bro. Like, anything can go wrong. So yeah, we broke the Z again, yay. I'm to the point where I almost want to just pull the wrap off of this car and just let it sit until it can get wrapped. Because this damn color is cursed, bro. I promise you, this color is cursed. Somebody touched my car, there's a strand of hair, somebody put like an eyelash on it somewhere, and they're just, the voodoo is crazy on this thing, because ever since this motherfucker been blue, it's been nothing but problems. I can't believe that shit just happened right now. But good thing it did happen close, so that way I was able to drag that shit back here. Hopefully I didn't put a hole in it. Goodbye, filthy peasant. How the fuck I take this shit in the middle of the desert, beat the shit out of it, clutch kick it like 30 times, doesn't nothing happen. But this motherfucker right here, I ain't even gonna lie to you guys, that shit was hella funny. I was like, watch how fast I pass these cars. That shit said nope. You thought he was about to hit boost? God damn, man. Honestly, I think it's hilarious that I fix one thing and then something else almost immediately goes wrong. And it has nothing to do with the first thing that I fixed. That's just crazy. Welcome to my life, guys.